2019 Street Glide, Stage 3, cold start. All right, let's go. Kevin.
Hey, good morning, man.
Morning, how you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Oh man, doing great.
I remember once he was right in front of me and fucking JB was being an asshole and he cut in front of me. He crisscrossed in it. Well, you don't need to put the security on that far away.
I've been there.
You don't want some sunblock?
I did it before I left. Got a shirt today.
I had a cappuccino this morning. That's what I'll call it.
Hey Kev, can you tell me a little about your bike?
It's an 06.
Okay.
That's about it.
Who's on it?
Oh, it's 60 something, 65. That's not bad. No, I was keeping it low for a while. Yeah.
Did you just scrape the pipes when you were going down Mulholland?
Oh, got the Samsons. Oh yeah.
Well, these people are parking at McDonald's and they're going to walk their way all the way over to the...
I'm finally getting my Samsons. I got an email that they're coming in. They should be in by Wednesday.
You were telling me about them.
Yeah. Jeez, it's been like 5 months.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you were talking about it.
You gonna get Samson fish now?
Nova, you guys put like 70 grand.
Sweet.
Yeah, I know. He's a legend. And his twin brother's over there, Renee.
My twin brother over there.
Twin brothers.
He's a better looking guy, of course, right?
Renee, so tell me, man, what happened? What happened?
What happened was like, you know, this right here,
Yeah.
not just the ground.
Okay.
So it got me out of control.
Yeah. And so that's why you.
I made it, man.
But that's why you ended up merging on the other lane,
I
huh?
was leaning on the left side and I went to the right and then freaking.
Dang.
Too much speed, I guess.
Hey, and so you didn't leave no stains, right? No stains at all?
Not that bad,
Let me see,
not that
Renee.
bad.
Turn around, Renee. Any stains?
Nothing.
Yup.
He was the one behind me.
I was the one behind him.
So it was
I didn't get no stains. But it was close, right, Renee?
Huh?
It was close, right?
I was fucking close, dude. It's good that the car stopped, man. Because what I was like, I was leaning to the left and then went to the right, and this thing touches the ground.
Oh yeah.
So when it touches, I was like, you know, I got scared. So I put my seat to the left side. I went to the other side, and he saw me. This guy, man, he pulled over, but he saw me though, like I made it. So he was like, thanks for that, man.
Yeah, no, man, you got it, man.
Cool, man.
Jeez. That was a close call, man.
So I saw it. Hey, at least I feel the concern right here.
Can I give you a hug, bro? You're still alive. I'm gonna give you a hug. You're still alive.
Thanks, man.
Is that where you going, Julie Pie? She'll feel a lot better after a little slice of apple, right? What's up, George?
What's happening? That was some nice twisties, huh?
Nice twisties.
Yeah, definitely.
We tore up some gravel. We tore up some road, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
We were on the top. We saw on the mountain.
Yep,
We
yep.
were on the top of the mountain. That air was so clean it hurt my lungs.
That's nice. I like that. It's fun. Had a good time. That's here too.
We're gonna see that one for sure.
About a month or so. Nice ride.
Enjoy Hawaii.
Good ride, good
Nice
ride.
twisties.
Hey, be sure to send me a text of where you're staying in
So
case I
we
go
drive
up
like a
there.
Java. I didn't see that.
No, I think it's Sensimilla. It smells like Sensimilla.
I feel like I'm at Misa. Oh, we're at Misa.
Here, come here. Be on video. You need to be on video. Do it to this bike right here. Right here.
Oh, okay.
This bike right here. This one right here.
Right here.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe out there.
All right.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
All right, guys, had a good ride. I actually lost battery on my GoPro, so it is what it is. But you guys make sure you guys are safe. It was crazy. We almost had a serious accident. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, later.